Continue with the waste pipe shop drawing for the first floor. Ground floor we have already completed, as you can see here. Now we will continue with the second floor. Okay, so before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, so the same procedure. What we will do, we have to select first and change the line type here to bilayer. Select all this line, go to property, change the line type to bilayer. Okay, then select and explode it, simple type X, enter. Now simply offset this, type O, provide the offset distance 40 mm each side. Just offset all the lines, so simply take offset command and offset each side. Simply offset each side. Okay, then this one also explode. X, enter, offset. Okay, now you have to copy this elbow from here. Copy this one. Now simply copy paste. Okay, move, paste it here. Okay, now simply trim, erase the extra line first and use the trim command. So TR, select the cutting edge, trim the extra line. Okay, now erase this and copy the end cap. Here is the end cap. Simply copy from here, paste it here. Okay, and move at a distance of 50 mm. You can use trim command, TR, trim. Okay, now use the mesh command, mesh properties. With mesh properties, simply select this, source object, match with the destination object. Okay, okay, this fitting is done. So now we have to place this fitting. So simply copy again elbow from here, this fitting, simply copy from there and paste it here. Okay, now move this, use trim command, tr double enter or tr single enter and single and select the cutting edge, then trim it. Okay, now this is over. Okay, so simply copy this one, copy from here and paste it here. Okay, also paste it here. Okay, now use trim command, tr select the cutting edge, select the cutting edge, select the cutting edge, enter, then simply select to trim this. Okay, simply erase the extra line. Use offset command and offset at a distance of 80 mm. Okay, so this side is over. Now for this side, what you will do, simply copy this fitting. Okay, simply copy it here and mirror this. Okay, you use the mirror command, first point and then second point, erase the source object, then move it from here up to here. Okay, now use the trim command, so tr select the cutting edge, enter. Okay, and erase the extra line. So this is over. Okay, now for this one you need to use elbow end. First of all, copy this U-trap T and elbow. Okay, so we'll copy this one. Okay, simple copy from here, place it here. Okay, now move this T from here to here. Again move it here. Okay, now move this elbow also. Move it here. Now we have to use trim command, so tr okay, so this is your fitting. Comes to this side. I'll also trim here. Use trim command, enter. Again use trim command, select the cutting edge from here to here, enter. Okay, now simple use mirror command, select this elbow and this U-trap, select this point, first point, second point, press enter and enter. Okay, and select this, erase it. Okay, now use trim command, so tr select the cutting edge, first point, second point. Okay, so this is your connection for this. Now for this one, you can copy from here. Okay, like this. Simply copy this one, this point to this point, and place it here. Okay, simply erase this one first. Okay, then move, select this and move down, and simple take one line from here to here. Again move, use move command, select the center point, move it down. Okay, now use trim command tr. This one is not fitted well, so you need to move it this side. Okay, now use trim command tr, select the cutting edge, enter first point and second point. Okay, now use line command, take one line from here to here, offset at a distance of 80 mm, tr double enter, trim the extra line. Okay, and it's over. So this is how is your waste pipe shop drawing for this first floor ladies toilets. Now we have to copy this end cap and place it here. Rotate this one, move it, please move command, place it here, move at a distance of 50 mm, select these two lines, tr, select this point and trim it. Okay, and simple control S, so shape this one. So how is you can see, I think you guys learn how to make the shop drawing for waste piping as well as soil piping for the first floor ladies toilet. So in the next tutorial guys, we will finish this for the gents toilet first floor, and then we will start for the vent piping. After that we will start for the water supply. So thank you guys, thank you once again to watch my video, and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.